Hi, let's add a Google account on your CMF Phone 1. So firstly, you need your Google account here at least to be able to download apps. So let me open Play Store and show you that I can actually download apps without signing in. As you can see, it recommends to sign in. So what we are going to do is we need to go in settings, then scroll down and find as Google tab. After that, you should see this option sign in, or you can choose passwords, passkeys, and accounts. And here tap on this option to add account. Now from the list, you can choose your Google account. And after that, you need to use your pattern or fingerprint to verify that it's you. And now you actually got option to sign in. So here, enter your email or phone number, then tap next and enter your password. So let me do it quickly and get back to you. So now I just entered my password. Let's tap next button. And now we should wait a couple of seconds and choose who will be using this device. So if you're gonna use it, select this first option. If your child, select second. And simply tap next. Now, as usual, we need to agree with terms of service. If you want to read it, just tap here and read information about Google terms of service, and then tap I agree and simply wait a couple of seconds. So here, if you want to back up your phone, then choose to turn on backup. So if you buy a new device, you can easily recover all of your data if you enable backups. So this is a really useful feature. I suggest you to turn it on. And now you can complete a few suggestions to get the most out of your Google account. So you can add or confirm your recovery email or phone number, add a home address, sign up to get useful tips and updates, or choose not now. And after that, you can also agree to use biometrics to verify purchases and tap accept. And now Google account is added. So let's check this. I'm gonna open Play Store, and now as you can see, we can actually download apps. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.